don't think anybody when they're like younger says, oh, I'm going to go into statistics. When I was younger, it was first I was going to be this amazing singer, but no, that didn't really go through. I grew up a little bit, and then I was going to be a teacher. Teaching is still something I want to do, and statistics kind of came along because it was something interesting, and I wanted something that you could really define and come to some sort of solution or ask more questions from it and take problems like real data and make something out of it.
I think, a lot of people's reaction to, when they say I'm a professor of statistics, they say things like, oh, I took that course in college and I didn't like it. The statistics isn't just a nuisance, it's not something you just have to get over, it's something that really is fundamental to understanding the scientific problem.
SAMC had opportunities for kind of extending research because that wasn't something that I had in Extreme Basin and some of my doctorate programs because it was more of a teaching school. And I really wanted to get involved in it because I love research, I like going out and trying to solve problems as a statistician and relating to different people. The universities are really important to SAMC, and the collaboration piece is really important because in order for SAMC to kind of grow is to really work with collaborating universities.
The relations with the universities are very important. That's why we're here in North Carolina. Otherwise, NIS and SAMC could be anywhere.
NIS is connected not just to the local universities, but we have an affiliates program that connects us to universities all across the country.
The SAMC as a whole is that if you can bring multiple people together in all the university systems, is that now you have so many different varieties of people and so many different ideas to approach a problem.
And I've always thought that that's a good reason for NIS to be located here, because that's our goal too, to bring together both sectors of the statistical world, sciences that are impacted by statistics, and the people who can do this with enthusiasm.
Well, both organisations really have the same mission, which is to promote interdisciplinary statistics. SAMC came along later, and we decided, or the people who were putting SAMC together decided to expand the mission to include applied mathematics as well as statistics.
NIS has a wonderful future already because we have postdocs who have been part of NIS from very, very early, from almost the first time NIS had a project. And then finally, I think that NIS is already a resource to a number of communities, and those will continue.
I think that by SAMC, by these working groups, is I hope to continue to work with them throughout the years, not just in this particular year. And I think that's kind of the aim of what SAMC is about, is that you start with something and you really continue to build up these relationships.